Hi guys, how's it going? This is me, Ranvijay, and Varun Sood with me. We are riding in and our bill is 18 rupees so far, but we will stop very soon. The idea is that we're trying to see when we give a 500 rupee note or a 1000 rupee note, what is the reaction of the auto guy and other shops that we're going to go to, because we're going to try to spend all the 500 rupee notes that we have. यहाँ पे भैया right पे रोक दो. Thank you. So Varun's taking out a 500 rupee note. ये लो. क्यों? अगर 500 बोलते लेते नहीं?
500 अभी लेना बंद कर दिए हैं।
ऐसे अभी तो
ऐसा मत करो सेठ, नहीं है जाओ, कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन ऐसा मत करो।
मतलब
हम लोग गरीब आदमी हैं।
आप कह रहे हो कि 500 का लेना अलाउड क्यों नहीं है?
अभी हमको तो नहीं मालूम, अभी हमारे पास है भी नहीं। अब यानी अभी लोग अभी हमको यही बोले कि 500 का नोट मत लो, नहीं चल रहा, चलने वाला है, बंद। यानी ये सब कर रहे हो क्या, रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हो क्या?
कब बोला कि 500 का नोट नहीं लेना है?
अभी एक आदमी हमको बोले।
अरे पर अगर आप 500 का नोट लेके कल बैंक जाओगे तो वो आपको नए वाला 500 का नोट दे देंगे ना।
अभी जब नहीं है तो क्या करेंगे? अभी हमारे पास 20 रुपए के लिए 500 छुट्टा भी नहीं।
तो आप बोल रहे हो कि नहीं, आप बोल रहे हो कि मैसेज आए, चलो भाई 20 रुपए निकालो, 500 रहने दो।
रिकॉर्डिंग किए क्या?
हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग। सो क्यूट। आपका नाम क्या है?
वीरेंद्र कुमार तिवारी।
वीरेंद्र कुमार ने बोला कि मुझे 18 रुपए नहीं चाहिए, आप जाओ फ्री में चले जाओ। बट ऑफ कोर्स हमारे पास 20 रुपए का नोट है, बहुत वैल्यूएबल है और हम आपको दे रहे हैं, आप ले लो। थैंक यू सो मच। बट ही वाज रेडी टू लेट गो ऑफ अस, ही वाज रेडी टू नॉट टेक एनी मनी कि 500 रुपए का नोट नहीं लूंगा।
वो क्या कर रहे हो? बाटल तो बाहर
चलो। So that's it, man. This was very interesting. The auto guy was ready to not take our money. He was like, I don't want your 18 rupees. You can go out. Don't pay me in 500 rupees. That's strange because it's just happened. It's scaring people. Now I'm going to go buy myself a pen. I'm going to buy myself a pen. How about that? In a stationery shop. Hi guys. क्या हो गया? अकाउंट में क्या हो गया?
20 रुपए देना पड़ेगा, 500 का नोट दे दो।
लफड़ा चल रहा है इधर, छुट्टी का
क्या पर मैं
नोट दे देती, वो भी बंद हो जाएगा कल।
500 का नोट नहीं लोगे आप? क्यों
अरे सर आप बोलो ना, क्या चाहिए?
लोगे ना? अभी तो सिर्फ ये बोला है कि कल जाके 500 को देके नया वाला ले सकते हैं। हाँ ऑफ कोर्स, 30 दिसंबर तक ऐसा है। आपके पास 10-10 के नोट हैं? Alright, I need a पतला मार्कर।
पतला मार्कर दे दे, पतला मार्कर। कलर कौन सा सर जी?
ब्लैक है।
फोटो खींच रहा है यार।
एंड
इसमें मत डालना है।
वांटेड इसमें नहीं।
हाँ तो
और ये इस पे काम करेगा ना, टैग पे?
क्या कर रहा है यार तो यार?
ये दे दो मुझे। हाँ
पेंटी ये बॉस चेंज दो, बॉस
चेंज है ही नहीं यार, हमारा सिर्फ 500 रुपए का नोट है।
सर वो कल मनी एक्सचेंज बोल रहे नहीं हो पाएगा।
अरे कल नहीं, 30 तक है।
12 बजे तक तो अलाउड है।
सुनो 30 तक अलाउड है। आप इंटरनेट में देख लो कि 30 तक अलाउड है।
सर पर अभी मेरे पास चेंज नहीं है उसका।
तो आप सामान ही ना बेचोगे?
कितने का चेंज होगा आपके पास? ये सामान फिर नहीं बेचेंगे।
सामान नहीं बेचेंगे, चेंज नहीं है।
कितने का चेंज नहीं है आपके पास?
500 का।
400 रुपये होंगे बस।
चल फिर कुछ और खरीद ले।
एक कॉपी दे दो।
हाँ
एक
चलो,
कॉपी दे दो।
फिर है।
हाँ फिर मिल जाएगा।
मेरे को एक और पेन दे दे।
ठीक है।
एक क्लासमेट की कोई
लॉन्ग बुक दे दे।
ब्लैक पेन दे दे। नहीं मैं पेन ही लेता हूँ, मेरे लॉन्ग बुक का। एक वो दे दो मेरे को, व्हाइट बोर्ड मार्कर।
व्हाइट बोर्ड मार्कर दे दो।
अब लगेगा ना? व्हिच कलर?
अपने घर पे कौन सा? रेड दे दो, व्हाइट बोर्ड मार्कर। बस यार अभी इतने राइटिंग में तेरे को चाहिए तो तू अपने 500 से ले ना। वो कितना हो गया ये? टॉपिक तो है, वर्ल्ड का टॉपिक है लेकिन तू बता मुझे टॉपिक कैसे नहीं है ये? हाँ क्या है? कितने का ये? 20, 10, 10। ये 5 का है।
ये 10 का है, 10 का है।
महंगा तो नहीं बेच सकता अभी सामान तो हमारे को।
नहीं सर,
हाँ
94 रुपीज।
94 रुपीज, ये रहा 500 रुपए आपका। लेट्स सी द 100 रुपी नोट्स, हमें 100 रुपए के नोट चाहिए। हम ये देख रहे हैं कि आज मैं और कितने 500 रुपए के नोट इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं बिफोर 12 o'clock, बिकॉज पीपल आर स्कैर्ड, यू नो। इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि 500 के नोट रद्द हो जाएंगे, इसके बाद आप अगले 50 दिन बैंक और पोस्ट ऑफिस जा सकते हैं और जो आपके पास हैं उनको आप दे सकते हैं and they'll exchange it for you. This guy, look at this guy, he's got so many 100 rupee notes. तुमने मुझे बोला कि सारा चेंज नहीं है। Anyways, we've got more 100 rupee notes. Thank you. इसको आप एक पैकेट में डाल दीजिए। This is great. We're pretty successful today, man. That's not bad. Good job, good job. आप भी आ रहे हैं और काफी लोग देख रहे हैं, लाइव चल रहा है ये। इसको रखो, इसको पैकेट तो दो अभी। I hope you have a green. हाँ. All right, guys. That was also successful. Hi. Hello. How's it going? So, well, rupee notes, we can't buy anything in this store. But you think we should get a snow house? What is this? Enjoy snowflake ice cream festive season. But this will be. As you saw that we were successful, but the guy was skeptical. He's like, I don't want to use a 500 rupee note. I don't know what's happening. The whole country right now is scared. What?
Can you drop into a store?
You want me to drop into your store? What do you sell in your store?
We are saying Snowflakes ice cream.
Snowflakes ice cream. Okay, I'll have a very small one, but I'll want to pay for it.
Yeah, okay.
You can't give it to me for free.
No, please. It's like a big thing for me.
No, it doesn't matter.
Please.
That's so sweet, but we have only 1 minute.
Okay.
We'll come in, we'll taste, we'll pay, and we'll go. I'm going to try to use my 1,000 rupee note here.
Oh, no.
Why?
I know, sir. Please. It's like a...
Hi. First of all, congratulations. Best of luck. Your Facebook live chat. So, tell me. Can we just get? Okay, we actually have very little time because we're doing a Facebook live chat. We're trying to see if people are taking 500 rupee notes or 1,000 rupees or not. So it's a social experiment. So how much is the ice cream for?
So there's 250,
200. I want the 200 rupee one. I'm going to pay you in a 1,000 rupee note. That's the catch.
Okay.
So will you?
But I think you have 50 days to give back that money.
Yes. Look at this lady. She is well informed. She's like, this is not. If you have a 1,000 rupee note, it doesn't mean that it has no value. You have 50 days to go back to a bank or to a post office.
Yes.
And you can return it and you can exchange it for the new one.
Yes, definitely.
How about that? So can we have the 200 rupees snowflake and I'm going to get my 1,000 rupee note. Say bye-bye, 1,000 rupee note. I hope you're correct. I'm giving you a 1,000 rupee note here. Please give me 800 rupees back.
but like in 100, 500.
No, I can't take a 500 rupee note. So I'll have to have 800s. So sweet. What's your name, ma'am? You're so well informed.
I'm Mrs. Anthony,
Mrs.
Litty
Anthony,
Anthony.
first of all, congratulations.
I was a teacher in St. Louis.
Oh, you were? No wonder you're so informed. This is your place. Best of luck. This is your son.
I see you on TV every day.
So sweet.
I follow your...
Okay, but right now the matter is of national
notes.
information. Those people are getting very. I just want to do this for the information of people that even if you have 500 rupee notes and a 1,000 rupee note, it's not like you have to burn them after 12 o'clock. Tomorrow, you have to go or in the next 50 days to a bank
And exchange.
The government will give you your money, but in a new currency. Until unless you earned it in a bad fashion. If you can't tell us how you earned that money, then you deserve to not have that money. Good move by the Prime Minister. What do you say?
Yes, it's a good move. Since there's so many people are skeptical about
What if
those
people
notes.
come here and you get lots of cash? You will declare it. You have to now
Yeah.
with the new currency, right? That's the best part.
Yes.
I hope you make lots of money. You pay your taxes. What about you, sir? How much cash do you have in your pocket right now? Let's see.
I think I don't have anything. Maybe 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees.
Oh, but they're all hundreds. Oh no, you have 500. What are you going to do? Are you worried? Are you scared? What's
Why,
going on in your mind? I just want to
No,
know.
why have to be worried? Because the government allows 50 days time.
Okay.
We can go to the bank and we can exchange it.
Very nice. We have 50 days to exchange it.
What
Great.
flavor would you like?
Ma'am, I'm on a social experiment. I want to go to more people. I hope as many people are informed as you are.
Yes. Jacqueline, why don't you also stand?
Come. Just give us now. No Hershey's, no Hershey's. He's got abs. He's got abs. He can't do any chocolate. Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Saying hi to a lot of people there. Hi Ali, kya haal hai? Salam. Wow, that's a very good idea. Keep the good work and thanks people who's contributed. Nice move, Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi, what a master stroke, sir. Master stroke. सब एक्सचेंज हो जाना है, बट जिन लोगों ने ये कमाए थे अजीब तरीके से, मतलब ब्लैक मनी था, वो लोग क्या बोलेंगे कि हमारे पास इतना सारा पैसा कैसे आया? So I think it's a great move. I'm actually really excited to see the new currency because it's hopefully it should be like the Australian currency, which is plastic and not it's not paper and you can't destroy it. So that'll be great. Maybe plastic. What's up, Javeer? How's it going, bro? Javeer Singh is my friend from school, 6th standard onwards. All right, where are the 100 rupee notes? That's what I want to see. What are you guys doing? This is the moment of truth, guys. I have my fingers crossed. Let's see. 300 rupee notes. That is amazing. No, you can't give 500. I won't take it. Yeah, that's the whole idea. Wow. First of all, so sweet of you guys. Second of all, best of luck for this place. It's very nice. It's on 16th Road, Khar. Opposite Mini Punjab. Well, we did a plug also. We're also influencing people and telling them what the status is right now in India. And check this out. We've got 250s also. Wow. 100 rupee notes. Oh my God. Hi Ronita, how's it going? Hi Hiral Thakkar. My manager, ex-manager Hiral. We've got 800 rupees, which are okay after 12 o'clock. Yeah. All right, can we have the ice cream also now? It's called
It's called Snowflakes ice cream.
Is it Japanese?
It's Korean.
It's Korean, okay.
And first time in India. It's not.
All right, listen guys, we're going to... Oh!
Amazing.
My God, that looks amazing. Is this to take away?
Shelf life is very good.
Oh no. All right, so...
Just like the flakes.
All right, so we're going to eat this. Ready?
You want to sit on the table?
No, we're going to eat it. Oh, you got...
Oreo too.
Oh wow, this is... So say bye to your abs for like a week, man.
For like 1 day.
1 day? Oh, okay, let's go.
Why don't you sit
Wow.
comfortably and have?
Yeah, they're very good. We're going to sit and eat it nicely. That was crazy, man. That's really... It's amazing. It's actually just like snowflakes in your mouth. This is crazy stuff, man. It's amazing. It's amazing. I can't believe. It's like I'm eating snow.
Yeah, it's the first time it's come in India.
But what is it made out of?
It's milk, raw milk.
Can you give me a...
How?
How is it? It's good?
It's yummy. हम अपने देश का भला करने चले थे, हमारा भला हो गया. Snowflake ice cream, man, that's crazy. So for the people who've just joined, Varun and me are on out on a social experiment. We have 500 rupee notes and 1000 rupee notes. I have successfully used my 1000 rupee note to buy snowflake ice cream for 200 rupees. I've got 800 rupees in hundreds and 50s, which is amazing. Lots of value after 12 o'clock. We also bought some stationery and we got 400 rupee notes there. We're doing really well, but people are confused about it. All we want to say is, this lady here, she said, you take your money to the bank or the post and, the government will give you new notes. So it's amazing. All right. Enough of this. We're gonna come back later. Can we go now? Because we gotta. Oh, we're taking a group picture. Come. Selfie.
정말 그냥 좀 찍어봐.
Come. No, come. Let's do it fast because we gotta go now. Smile. Thank you guys. Thank you. Best of luck. All right, so we got 2 successes. The auto guy was the funniest. He's like, I don't want your money. I don't want your 500 rupee note. I don't even want to take your 18 rupees from you. So, but we paid him because we had a 20 rupee note. All right, what's next now, Varun? We're in back right now. We're on the street. There's nothing in Mini Punjab that'll be for like 20-30 bucks. Oh, let's go to that store. Come on. It's a chemist. We're going to a chemist now. Next on our list is chemist. Where's my 500 rupee note? No, you go. Oh, I got my 500 rupee note. You.
I was running from that one.
Yeah. I was trying. Oh. एक मिनट जगह दो. Thank you. No, I know what to buy from a chemist. Let me see. What do you want to buy? Mix. Hold this. She has 1,000 rupee notes. I live around the corner actually. I live across So I see a lot of people are shopping. I wonder why. I wonder why people are shopping this late. I think they're getting rid of their 1,000 rupee and 500 rupee notes. Are you trying to get rid of your 1,000 rupee notes? No. You have only 1,000 rupee notes out. Why is that?
Because if tomorrow
So-
if I need medicine, what will I do?
No, you.
I won't die.
No. Why? Yetana go. What do you think about the 1,000 rupee note thing and 500 rupee note? You don't care. You do.
It's a panic. Everybody panics.
We're just seeing because a lot of people are not taking them because they think they don't know what's going to happen.
Exactly. Nobody knows what's going to happen.
That's the problem.
Everybody is on the safe side.
So just to educate people, we're going to tell them that they can take their money to a bank or a post office and just change it to the new currency.
It's just a matter of a few days. There'll be some problem, but I don't think.
Pause. It happened in 1978. You would remember that. You know they did the same kind of.
But that time it was devalued.
Yeah.
Currency was not changed.
But they, yeah,
Currency was devalued.
it was devalued. So what was it like then?
Like for 100 rupees, you get that 1/3 was wiped off.
Oh wow,
2/3 was given to me.
that was crazy.
That devaluation, that was the hand during Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi, 1978. I remember. I don't because I wasn't born. I just read about it. What do you want to buy, Varun? What do you want to buy? A toothbrush?
Toothbrush.
You think he's going to give us the
Baby,
change?
no, not toothbrush. Baby, a toothbrush and something
Deodorant?
else.
A deodorant. You need one. You need a. कौन सा वाला है? Blue वाला है? I don't even know what I'm asking.
वो निविया का दे दो
I
कोई.
just want to use my 500 because I want people on our Facebook to understand that it's not a defeat, not to get scared. Adidas वाला दे दो. ये वाला सही है, green वाला. हाँ. कितने का है ये? 200. Let's see if he takes it.
1,000.
हाँ बताओ मुझे. I have no 1,000 rupee notes anymore.
Show it to him. Change हमारे पास
Change कैसे
नहीं है.
होगा? Change कैसे होगा? 200 का क्या हो गया? 1 घंटे से? चेंज क्यों नहीं है? आपको मैं दे तो रहा हूँ 500 रुपए. ये कितने का है?
500 देगा लेकिन चेंज तो होना चाहिए ना.
200 रुपए का है यार ये. ऐसे 25 रुपए का थोड़ा है.
200 का है वो बिना देने आपको.
हाँ तो फिर तो 300 रुपए तो देना पड़ेगा ना. मतलब आपके पास तो ये ले जाओ मैं ऐसे ही. फिर क्या करें इसका?
चेन नहीं, आप लाके चाहिए तो लाके जाना पड़ेगा।
तो आप नहीं लोगे 500 रुपए का नोट?
नोट लेंगे लेकिन होना तो चाहिए चेन।
बैग देने के लिए नहीं ना पैसा।
बैग क्या दूंगा?
क्यों? काफी लोग 500 रुपए के नोट के साथ आए हैं।
अभी अचानक इतना थोड़ी मालूम था कि आगे तो कितना
Alright guys, so Varun will smell bad because we're not getting the deodorant because he's not willing to give us a change of 500 rupee note. Alright guys, you can have your deodorant. Brother, your deodorant यहीं पर है, मैं जा रहा हूँ. Thank you, cheers. So the guy didn't give us deodorant, man. How about that? We gave him, and it was for 200 rupees, which is a good value on a 500 rupee note. Hi.
One click
Sure.
with my wife.
Come. You're live on my Facebook page also. Say hi to
I
everybody.
saw that and then only I came
Oh, really?
2 and 3.
with you as well.
Varun, with Varun also. No, but just take with Varun. You've taken with me now. Okay, take one with both of us also. Come.
Okay, let's go.
Come.
I don't want to be.
You can take a selfie. Only if you're alive because we're in the middle of the road.
Okay, Varun. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, buddy. Thank you so much.
It's your birthday.
Coming.
Oh, happy birthday, man. Well done. Happy birthday in advance. Let's go. Alright, guys. So we are on the road again. One shopkeeper, this shop. There. Didn't take our 500 rupee note. Oh, let's eat pan. You think if we eat pan and we give him 500 rupee note? Oh, shit. Yeah, this is great. So now we're going from one extreme to the other. We're just going to act cool. We're going to ask for 2 meetha pan. We're going to ask for 2 meetha pan. Come stand here coolly. I don't know how to order pan, so just do it for me.
Bhaiya.
Happy birthday, Ali. Many happy returns of the day. He's not.
No 500 and 1000.
What do you mean by that? I guess
You can't use any.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I just came to know Mr. Modi is stopping it.
Of course you can. So you can go and exchange it.
Yeah, you can.
If you have like a few 500 rupee notes, tomorrow day after you go
Yeah,
to
the
your
bank,
bank
for sure, yeah.
or whatever. So I think is he not taking?
Oh, he is.
He is, right?
Everyone will. Everyone wants to earn their money. So they will.
People are scared, I think.
I mean, you just gotta know how to convince them. Huh?
One guy just refused. I don't want to. He's like, no, I won't take your 500 rupee note. Even the auto guy, he's like, instead of taking your money, yeah, we'll see. All right, we'll see after this if you can convince that guy.
So I'm leaving. I've got a movie to catch.
Okay, best of luck. What movie are you watching? Which one? Doctor Strange?
Damn nice.
You're gonna have a bad time. You're gonna have a bad time.
Yeah.
Worse. Take care, man. Take care of yourself. So, what do you think, Varun? Last experiment. We've done well, man. We've got some change for a 500 rupee. We had snowflake ice cream. Like that was just a bonus. We got some stationery which we don't need at all. The auto guy was very nice. He said, I don't want your money because I don't know what's going to happen with my 500 rupee note. Unnecessarily, I'll get stuck. So yeah, we gave him 20 rupees instead because we had a note.
भैया 2 मीठा पान लगाना.
2 मीठा पान लगाना भाई. और मुझे ये देना यार, हैप्पी डेंट वाइट देना 10. वो है ना च्युइंगम, वो 10 देना. This guy is fighting with him because he is not taking 500 rupee note. So we know we are going to have a problem here already.
Hi man, how's it going?
This guy is trying to give him his 500 rupee note. He's not taking it. He's not taking it. This guy is a tough cookie, man. He's like, you take food, whatever your pan for free, I'm going to take your 500 rupee note. Crazy, man. Hi, Akashdeep Roy, how's it going? Hello, Nena Mera. Alright, so here's the thing, man. I'm going to give my 500 rupee note to Varun. Varun, let's see what all you need to buy to use this 500 rupee note. Just the 2 meetha pans, the happy dent right, or what else would you need? So that's your task.
Hope I win this one.
Hope you win this one, man. Kidhar aa raha hai tu? Kidhar? Oh yeah. Tell us more ideas where we should go with one person here said a petrol pump. Go to a petrol pump and try using 500 rupee notes there. That's a good idea.
That's easy.
How's it easy?
Why?
What if I give him like do hai na? Or happy dent right de do. So I got the pan here, guys.
Wine shop.
You're taking a wine shop?
Yeah.
Why would I go to a wine shop? What if my mum sees that? What if my dad sees that? He was just joking, he was just joking. Petrol pump is a better idea. By the way, this is worth it, man. Wow. Finally, victory. I got more change. I think it's been an awesome day. We got great stuff. Thank you. And we got now Varun's bet's not going to sting anyways. See you, bro. Cheers. Ooh, whoa. Oh. That was good. The pan is amazing. And we got to use another 500 rupee note. I have a feeling if people are more aware, don't get scared, guys. You got your cash at home, go to a bank tomorrow, go to a post office, get exchange, not a problem. But Narendra Modi, our Prime Minister, hats off to you, man. What a way to get or catch hold of some black money. Or what a way to get people to at least get the black money into the bank. And
Somewhere there.
I think it's amazing. What should we do now?
Somewhere there. We have shops over there.
That's it, man. We proved our point. We did well. Don't be so disappointed.
The social experiment was actually good. We got to eat amazing ice cream
Snowflake ice cream.
and some amazing pan, like the best pan I've ever had. So,
And we got stationery.
Yep.
Though we have nothing to write. But we got stationery. Alright. Now we're just stuck away from home. We should go back now. Alright. See you guys. Give me more suggestions. Give me suggestions about where should we go next to try to spend a 500 rupee notes, maybe tomorrow or day after. So write it in the comments below. And how do I end this? Finish. It says finish. Hi Shweta Didi, how are you? How's it going? Thanks Abhishek Patil. We should catch an auto and go back home now. Bye, bye. Or maybe we should have a coffee. We should have a coffee. That's a good idea. Coffee?
where does he?
See?
Where?
There. Do you think we should? No, but coffees are expensive.
Expensive, exactly.
So anyways, if we buy one coffee, they'll definitely use a 500 rupee note. Alright guys, that was a lot of fun. And Ravi Luthria. Ravi is a friend of ours from Monozygotic. I used to work with him in MTV and then he was heading Star and now he is working with Raghu Rajiv in the company called Monozygotic. Hi Ravi. Don't worry Ravi, I know you have a lot of 500 rupee notes and a lot of 1000 rupee notes stacked under your pillow. Nothing will happen, brother. Just go to the bank and just tell them how you earned them and you'll be okay. You'll get new notes. See you guys. Bye. Take care.